Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I'll show you how to pair the MX Master 3 for Mac. First, power on your mouse. On the bottom you'll see 3 device buttons to switch between connections. Click and hold one of these buttons to enter pairing mode, and the LED lamp will start flashing. Now access Bluetooth settings on your MacBook and select MX Master 3 for Mac, then click Connect. The device should be connected. It's recommended, but optional, to download the Logitech software to customize options like button mapping. That's it for this video. Hope you liked it. Please consider subscribing, leave a like and a comment below.